Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you top Windows 11 keyboard shortcuts for productivity. So let's get started. I will see on my desktop as well as I will write the code. So let's get started. Uh, how to open the start menu instantly. So open start menu instantly. Go to uh, command prompt. Open command prompt. So how to open start menu instantly? Just I will show you the code. Just put the Windows tab and the start menu will open automatically if we press this key Windows. Now moving to our second, how to switch between open windows. So you have to put Alt plus tab. After pressing these two buttons, you can switch between open windows. Now moving to our third one, which is open File Explorer quickly. To open it, you have to type Windows plus E. Remember E and it will open your Windows File Explorer. Now how to open settings without searching. For open settings you have to press Windows plus I key button. Now how to open task view to see all the open apps and as well as desktop. To open task view app you have to press Windows key plus tab. It will open your task view. Now, we already know how to copy, cut, paste. For copy, you have to press Ctrl plus C, cut Ctrl plus X, and for pasting it, Ctrl plus V. Now, how to open Task Manager instantly? For opening Task Manager, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Now, it will open your uh, taskbar menu, and that's it guys. Now you know the main and essential shortcuts keys for your Windows 11 PC as well as laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.